Today on the Stay-at-Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make classic pasta primavera. Pasta primavera is a very light pasta that's full of spring vegetables. Today we're going to be using some halved cherry or grape tomatoes, some chopped marinated artichoke hearts, of course we have a little bit of garlic here, half of a red onion, and I've thinly sliced that, 1 cup of frozen peas, and some asparagus. But of course, you can always customize the vegetables that you use according to your own personal taste preferences. If you're using asparagus, I recommend using thin stalks, and you'll want to trim that into 2-inch pieces. Grab 1 pound of penne pasta and let's head on over to the stove. Cook the pasta according to the package directions, and for this penne, it looks like it'll take about 11 to 12 minutes. Then, in a large heavy skillet, you'll want to heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium-high heat. Then we'll add in our thinly sliced red onion and our asparagus and get those cooking until they're tender crisp. It'll take about 5 to 7 minutes for these vegetables to start to soften. Once those soften up a bit, we'll add in 1 cup of frozen peas, 1 cup of diced artichoke hearts, 1 cup of halved grape or cherry tomatoes, and about 6 cloves of minced garlic. And we really just want to heat this through, so let it saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Then you'll want to turn off the heat, and at this point your pasta should be ready. So go ahead and drain it, and then go ahead and pour your pasta in with your veggies. We're gonna drizzle the pasta with about 2 tablespoons more of that extra virgin olive oil. Drizzle on 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and we'll add on half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese and toss this all together. Then all that's left to do is season with a little bit of salt and black pepper to taste. Then you are ready to eat. This is a meatless meal. However, if you wanted to add some meat, I would cook up my famous super easy lemon chicken breasts. It would pair really well with this pasta. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.